How does Rocket Money app work? Intro. Hey there, you're drowning in a sea of bills. Credit cards, loans, subscriptions, they're all piling up, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and stressed. What if there was a tool that could help you navigate these financial waters, simplify your bills, and even save you money? Hook. That's where Rocket Money comes in. But how exactly does this app work? Let's dive in and find out. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help you take control of your finances. It's like having a personal financial assistant right at your fingertips. Key features. Bill tracking. One of Rocket Money's core features is its ability to track all your bills in one place. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and loan accounts to the app, and it will automatically import your transaction data. This gives you a clear overview of your spending habits and helps you identify areas where you can cut back. Subscription management. Subscriptions can quickly add up without you even realizing it. Rocket Money helps you manage your subscriptions by identifying recurring charges and providing insights into the cost of each subscription. You can easily cancel unwanted subscriptions or negotiate better deals. Credit score monitoring. Your credit score is crucial for accessing loans and credit cards. Rocket Money provides you with access to your credit score and offers tips on how to improve it. You can track your progress over time and make informed decisions about your financial future. Debt management. If you're struggling with debt, Rocket Money can help you create a debt repayment plan. The app provides tools to track your progress, calculate interest payments, and identify strategies to pay off your debt more efficiently. Savings goals. Setting financial goals is essential for achieving your dreams. Rocket Money allows you to create savings goals and track your progress towards them. You can set aside money for specific purposes, such as a vacation, a down payment on a house, or your child's education. How does Rocket Money work? Download and sign up. The first step is to download the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You'll need to create an account and provide basic information about yourself. Connect your accounts. Once you've signed up, you can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and loan accounts to the app. Rocket Money uses secure encryption to protect your financial data. Track your finances. The app will automatically import your transaction data, giving you a comprehensive view of your spending habits. You can easily categorize your expenses and track your income and expenses over time. Manage subscriptions. Rocket Money will identify your recurring subscriptions and provide you with detailed information about each one. You can cancel unwanted subscriptions or negotiate better deals. Monitor your credit score. The app will provide you with access to your credit score and offer tips on how to improve it. You can track your progress over time and make informed decisions about your financial future. Create a debt repayment plan. If you're struggling with debt, Rocket Money can help you create a debt repayment plan. The app provides tools to track your progress, calculate interest payments, and identify strategies to pay off your debt more efficiently. Set savings goals. You can create savings goals within the app and track your progress towards them. You can set aside money for specific purposes, such as a vacation, a down payment on a house, or your child's education. Benefits of using Rocket Money. Save money. By identifying areas where you can cut back on spending and negotiating better deals on subscriptions, you can save money over time. Reduce stress. Having a clear overview of your finances can help reduce stress and anxiety. Improve your credit score. By tracking your spending habits and making timely payments, you can improve your credit score. Achieve your financial goals. Rocket Money provides the tools and resources you need to achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By tracking your bills, managing subscriptions, monitoring your credit score, and creating a debt repayment plan, you can improve your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.